Hey y'all, it's your girl, and I'm here to deliver the daily Torah message for the collective. Hope all is well. Remember only to take what resonates and leave what does not. If the message is not for you, do not force it. It is not for you. Also, don't forget to flip and change the roles as you see them fit. I hope everybody is feeling happy, healthy, vibrant, and blissful today. Let's see what message Spirit has for us all. Happy Ashtar, Estar day. See, I got my white rabbit. Remember, follow the white rabbit. And let's see what's going on. Let's see what we have. Ooh, Passover is ending. My grandmother thought Passover was a day. It is not a day. It is a whole week. A whole 7 days. This lady is Jewish and she don't know no better. Anyways. Wheel of Fortune, turning point, change, fate, destiny, chance. Let's see. Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles indicates a practical, methodical, cautious approach. It's also someone who pays attention to details, is a hard worker, loyal, reliable, grounded, teachable, let's see. So change. Let's see where this is going. Also, the Wheel of Fortune is connected to the zodiac signs Leo, Scorpio, Taurus, and Aquarius. Four of Wands. Four of Wands signifies establishment, commitment, achievement, celebration. Like as in like Easter and a marriage, or just like reaching a milestone. A milestone in your life. It could be graduating from college, like those are milestones, having a child, shit like that. So a celebration, which I'm not surprised. I mean, it is Easter, so everybody's celebrating. Well, those who celebrate Ishtar, but the goddess Ishtar. But let's see. So establishment, stability, some type of stability. Six of Wands. Wow. That's a card of victory and recognition and honor and praise and encouragement and confidence and self-assurance or believing in yourself. We have the Four of Cups. This Four of Cups indicates a lack of interest, rejection, missed opportunities, disappointment, self-absorbed, ungratefulness. We have the Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles signifies reciprocity, the ability to give or receive, or the being able, I'll put it like that, someone being able to give and receive. Let me see, hold on. Because it's almost looking like someone not giving. We have the King of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles is a rich man. Masculine energy, possibly a Virgo, Capricorn, or Taurus. It doesn't have to be a rich man. It could just be someone who's very fortunate and has, an excessive amount of wealth and stability and success, and they have the ability to give. But generosity is for those who give. I don't know if this person is generous. We have the Moon card, Cancer energy. The moon signifies secrecy and shadow, something hidden. Maybe emotions being suppressed or secret motives, hidden agendas. We have the Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords brings clarity and truth and clear judgment, unbiased judgment. She brings understanding. And she has the ability to analyze things to the core. We have the World card. So definitely the end of something. And then we have mental clarity coming through. Okay, so someone should be getting some mental clarity about something. It's either about something or someone. And there's going to be reciprocity. I feel like reciprocity is being established. Yeah. It's being established. We have balance. We have the flow of infinity, like in and out, in and out. So something's going out, something's coming back in. It's also a card of maintaining. So yeah, it looks like it's looking like reciprocity is going to be maintained after someone has been dismissive, disconnected, probably missed numerous opportunities, self-absorbed. We have the Six of Swords. So Six of Swords shows transitioning on a mental level, accepting and moving forward, overcoming some type of conflict. It could be due to the Queen of Swords, who brings clarity, who brings mental breakthrough. So there's definitely going to be a conversation for someone soon. Possibly a air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a Cancer, Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, I said Aquarius already, Virgo, or Capricorn. Let's see what else we have. I almost feel like someone has a lot to say because they were carrying burdens. Carrying burdens, feeling weighed down, feeling suppressed. Yeah, now we have Taurus, heavy on Taurus, abundance, fertility, growth, creativity, new opportunities, leading to stability, maybe in a foundation, maybe financially, maybe between two people, finally coming to a place where they can reciprocate on a intellectual, communicative level. Communication is key. Yeah, communicative level. Knight of Swords. So someone could be coming in quickly, or has a lot to say, a lot to express, a lot to get off of their chest. Yeah, we have the Queen of Cups. A lot to on an emotional level, possibly. Manifestations. Yeah, someone is consciously aware of the potential and possibilities to manifest, I feel, much quicker or more better. if they